The rest of the ongoing story. Spiritual door opening. And the journey begins anew. Have always had hope, but have met faith. Have many ways to deal with stress. Pray, sing, dance, read, write, communicate, walk, get some sunshine, charity, love, peace, patience, kindness, joy, and temperance. In the end, all spiritual doors, dreams, and visions will open to all. This channel can help you if you communicate. This channel has helped others. That's just one door that was opened. There are many more. If this channel has a video that can help someone you know, please share it. If you've suffered, always keep your hope and dreams and visions alive. It will help you to cope. Don't live in the past lane. Life can be good again. Don't get addicted to your pain. Don't live in the past lane. Life can be good again. Don't get addicted to your pain.